The YITAHOME 52-inch tropical ceiling fan features elegantly crafted palm leaf blades that enhance the aesthetic of any home space while maintaining durability and efficiency. This versatile ceiling fan offers a 3-in-1 functionality with 4 timing options and a reversible motor for year-round comfort, ensuring optimal air distribution in any season. Equipped with a customizable 3-color LED light, the fan provides a range of lighting options to suit your mood and protect your eyes, all while being energy efficient. Notably quiet, this ceiling fan operates below 35 decibels, making it an excellent choice for those sensitive to noise. Installation is straightforward with included downrods, allowing for both downrod and angled mounting options, making it adaptable to various ceiling heights. The fan undergoes rigorous noise checks to ensure a silent experience, complemented by a user-friendly remote control for effortless operation.